right, guys, here is lesson 3 for the week of Monday, April 27th through Friday, May 1st. This is your last lesson for the week. And the goal is that you start to be able to differentiate, meaning tell the difference between the structure/reproduction of bacteria versus viruses. So for your engage question, I want you to answer, do you think all viruses or bacteria are shaped the same? And how do you know? Like, what have you seen? What have you heard about the shape of bacteria and viruses? Then for your actual activity, you will be going through and doing notes on the structure and reproduction of bacteria and viruses. That's going to be your first task here. So you're going to click that, open it, it will make a copy. You'll click make a copy. And then when you open it, there's going to be a link. You'll see the first page has a place for you to put your name, your class period, and then there's a link for you to listen and watch the notes at on YouTube for structure and reproduction of bacteria. And then I included a note sheet with this one to help everybody out because I know we were struggling with that a little bit last time. So for your note sheet, you're just going to go through, add notes in as they go through the PowerPoint. It has you label the bacterium in the picture. To do that, it gives you directions here, insert line, arrow. So you just do insert line, and then you can pick an arrow, and that will help you go through and kind of label this bacterium as you go. And then along the side here, you should jot down any questions or highlight key points as you go. And then towards the end, you'll have a summary. You're supposed to summarize the main ideas of the concept as if you were trying to explain it to a person not in our class. Use some of the italicized headings to kind of help you with that. And then once you're all done with it, you're going to click on share, get shareable link. Anyone with the link can comment, copy, done. And then you'll paste that right here. But you'll notice that's not the last thing that you do. So that should take you about a day. You'll notice this lesson takes 2 days. Using those notes, then you're going to go through and complete these structure and reproduction task cards, which are basically questions for you to answer based on your notes. The same thing, you'll go in and make a copy of it. And once it opens up, it may take a few seconds. You guys know this kind of thing at this point, hopefully. But notice the directions say using your notes on structure and reproduction. So you should use those notes that you just took to go through and answer these questions. So each one will give you something to do. So for example, this one tells you to classify, and then it gives you a fact. It says these reproduce by binary fission. So since we're looking at bacteria or viruses, it's probably going to be one of those things. And you'll type in your answer here and so on using your notes. All of those answers should be in your notes. And then once you're done, you're going to click on share. Sorry, my computer's running slow. You're going to click on get shareable link. Change this to anyone with link can comment, copy the link, you can press done, and then that's what you'll paste here. So you should have 2 links in total in this lesson before you submit it. And then down here in the exit ticket, you're just going to summarize what you know, differentiating between bacteria and viruses. Your answer should include information both about the structure of bacteria and viruses and the reproduction of both. How are they similar and how are they different? And then you'll hit submit and you are all done for the week. Obviously, email me if you have any questions and let me know. All right, have a good weekend, guys.